Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is exercise 4.3, question number 6. The given fraction is x square over x plus 2 into x square plus 4. There are two factors in denominator. First is linear and other is quadratic. So we will resolve this fraction into partial fractions like this. A over x plus 2. First factor is linear, so we write simple a over x plus 2 plus bx plus c over x square plus 4. This is quadratic, so we will multiply variable and add the third term along with second. By taking its LCM, we get x square equals to a into x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. X square equals to a x square, we will multiply these two terms. This term with ax square plus 4a plus bx square. Bx will be multiplied by x. We get bx square plus 2bx plus cx plus 2cx plus 2c, sorry. Now put the value of x plus 2 equals to 0. We get x is equals to minus 2. According to zeros method, we will put the linear factor equal to 0 and get this value of x. Put this value of x in identity. This is identity. So we get minus 2. Value of x is minus 2. So minus 2 square is equals to a into minus 2 square plus 4 plus b into minus 2 plus c. Now minus 2 plus 2. For minus 2 plus 2, this factor becomes 0. And the answer of these two terms will be 4 equals to a into 4 plus 4. Minus 2 square 4 plus 4, we get 8a. 8a equals to 4. Now a will be equals to 4 by 8 and we get finally the value of a equals to 1 by 2. Now comparing coefficients of x square. As you know, there is only one linear factor, so we will apply zeros method only one time. Now we will compare the coefficients of x square for finding the next value of numerator. So by comparing coefficients of x square, we get 1 because the coefficient of x square on the left side is 1 equals to a plus b. The coefficient of x square on right side is a and plus b. So we will write here 1 is equals to a plus b. In this equation we will put the value of a, which is 1 by 2. We get 1 is equals to 1 by 2 plus b equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 will be shifted here and we get the LCM of these two terms. We get 2 LCM and 2 minus 1 equals to b. So 1 by 2 is the answer of b. Now comparing coefficients of x, we get 0 is equals to 2b plus c. Look here, there is no term with variable x, so we write here 0. Coefficient of x is 0 equals to 2b plus c. The value of b is 1 by 2, so we will put here 1 by 2 multiply 2 plus c equals to 0. Now this 2 will be cancelled by 2 and we get 0 is equals to 1 plus c. By shifting 1 on the other side, we get minus 1 is equals to c. Hence the required partial fractions are x square over x plus 2 into x square plus 4 equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of a. So 1 over 2 will be right and multiply x plus 2. 1 by 2 into x plus 2 is the first term of the partial fraction plus 1 by 2 is value of b multiplied by x minus 1 is the value of c. Now we will take the LCM of these two terms. we get LCM 2x minus 2. If we suppose here a 1, the LCM will be 2. 2 will be cancelled by 2, or by cross multiplying we get x minus 2 over 2. So we will put here x minus 2 over 2. This denominator will be written in the denominator. So the final partial fractions of x square over x plus 2 into x square plus 4 will be 1 by 2 into x plus 2 plus x minus 2 by 2. 2 is the whole denominator of these two terms into x square plus 4.